is my first experience with a Tesla driverless vehicle. It's kind of weird not having a steering wheel, but you just have to learn to trust the vehicle and trust the computer system to make sure to get you there safe. So it's weird not having any control whatsoever, but you just got to learn to trust the computer will get you there safely, right? Okay, we're headed to the wine festival. We're gonna get fucked up. I'm gonna film the entire thing and make it really annoying all day.
Let's get shit-faced.
If we can find the wine. So this festival was at the very top of this mountain just outside of town. All the cabs were crazy expensive to get to the bottom, and the tram to get to the bottom was like an hour wait. So now I thought that we should just take the trails down to the city, so that's what we're doing.
Trying to get a shower. And one more bottle, one more.
Jeez. Can I turn on the light? Yeah. You got it. Yeah.
That's too fast.
The nice viewpoint I'm trying to get to is 51 kilometers from here, but it is an elevation change of 930 meters. hard to find decent food in the middle of nowhere here. And all I am eating is just straight garbage. Okay.